Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Ari and I'm back with another video. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and let's get straight into this video. So today's video is sponsored by SINBONO. They reached out to me and asked if I wanted to review their bags, and I was like, why not? These are vegan leather bags, and they are I saw some reviews that they could be a dupe to Bottega Veneta, but I haven't opened the box yet to see what it's really giving or to see like what is it a dupe of. But I did pick two bags. I'll place pictures of what the bags should look like right here, and then I'm gonna go ahead and open this box and just get straight to it. Those two bags, one would be the drawstring vegan leather bag and the other one would be the Vienna bag. I think I'm saying it right. I wanted it in black, but I forgot when I asked them like, oh, can I have this bag instead of this one? I forgot the bag I wanted was in brown and I didn't get this Vienna bag switched to black. So we're gonna see how it looks. I'm kind of excited because I'm like getting to see it with y'all. This has been sitting in my room for a little bit, just so I had time to go ahead and give my full effort. Okay, so once you open the package and take the top off, I don't even think y'all can see that. Oh yes, I can right here. It says SINBONO right here in the middle, and they come in cute marble boxes. I'm just gonna take one down at first. So yeah, this is the first box. Pretty thick. What's on the side? Oh, and then it lists, can you see that too? It lists what she had. Which one is this one? Oh, this is the Vienna one. I got the Vienna one in brown. It's supposed to be like a light brown. Oh my gosh, how cute is this? Dang. There's so much sunlight coming through. This says SINBONO. And then it has a little bow on the bag. Oh, a little drawstring. Oh, the bag looks so cute already. Let's see. So I'm guessing you... Okay, yeah, you have to untie it. I just made a knot. I'll be back. Okay, I got the knot out. It was actually not that bad. So I'm opening it now. Oh my gosh. Let's see. Oh, it's so soft. Wow. Oh, and then I was wondering, like, where's the logo? So it says SINBONO. This is so cute. It actually goes with this, what I have on right now. So cute. Okay, so it says SINBONO right here. And then it has a little handle. And the handle actually unclips, which is interesting. Let me see. So you clip it, and then it has these two little buttons right here. Wow. And then I guess if you have another, or you order, they have a chain, what is that called? Like a chain strap. You could put that on there. But I guess that's what that's for. You can purchase it separately. But, okay, so do you have to oh, I guess to get to the zipper, you unclip this. Okay, so you unclip this. Oh. Oh, yeah. The whole thing is a zipper. I just realized that. Okay. Oh. See, this is why I like to open stuff on camera, because I'm looking at it with y'all. Okay, so this is the chain it comes with. Let's see how long this is. What much is this? Alright. Oh wow. This is like really quality chain. This is not no fake chain. This is so heavy. Look. Was that a way to show y'all how heavy something is? Okay. Just tried it on with the chain on it, like as a crossbody, and it comes like literally right at the end of my boob. So I don't think that I would wear that as a chain purse, just because I wouldn't want it to stop right there. I kind of would want it more at hip level. But I really do like this. Let's go inside and see what the space is giving. Okay, so of course it has this paper stuffing. Right there. Oh wow. It's like a cloth interior. Whoa, it's super soft. I wish y'all could feel that. It just feels so soft. Like I couldn't even describe what this material is. Does it say? Nope. But okay, so it has this, and then it has a nice big what is this? Like a little pouch on the inside. You could put your I guess, quick needs in there. And it looks like you can fit a good amount in here. I just want to see how it would do with the actual holding of the bag, because lately I've been wearing this bag that, like, you could put it under your what am I doing? You can put it under your shoulder. So I am excited to carry this bag, and I really do like it. At the end of this video, I'll also be plugging y'all with a code for 25% off so that you guys can go ahead and get you one too. Let's move on to the second bag. So the second box opened and ready to come off the package. Put that back there. This one also looks the same. So cute. I just love that packaging. I'm gonna go ahead and open it. We'll put this right here. Oh my gosh, this one I'm so excited for because this is the one I was like, oh yeah, this is my first choice. I was like, I need this. And this one, the strings come more, I guess that one was more ribbon style. Yeah, this one's more like a rope drawstring. I don't know. So let's pull this right this time. Okay. No knots. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. I'm talking about this is so cute. I'm talking about the packaging because it's still wrapped up. I can't even see it. Okay. Everything about this is so quality. Like even the, like from the wrapping to how it came. Like what? Like even this is like a super cottony feel with the brand printed on it. I love that. Oh my gosh. Bruh. This is so cute. Oh my gosh. I wish y'all could feel like how this feels. It's just so soft. It's luxury vegan. So luxury vegan. Who am I? It's luxury vegan. It's a luxury bag. But it's vegan leather. And I don't think... I've never bought a bag and was like, oh yeah, like I want it to be vegan leather. So I don't think I know what that feels like. But like feeling this now, it just feels really nice. Like you could look at this bag and say like, oh my gosh, where'd you get that from? Like it looks nice. Why do I always do that in every video? Like I just create a scenario that nobody's thinking about. So it has this little, yeah, that is strong. My dog. It has this, wow, yeah, your stuff is not going anywhere. And then like I said, this is called the I'm gonna say it right. Drawstring handbag in black. And it legit drawstrings. So after you take off the, what are those, magnets? You open it up and then you go in. Oh my gosh, this one has the cutest handle. Let me show y'all this. This would draw me to it. This is what drew me to it. Look at this. Like it literally is like a scrunchie as a handle. So I'm gonna clip these on real quick. And then the detailing, oh my gosh, it's like a round moment. I just love that so much. I feel like I really like different stuff. Like I don't like what everybody else likes. So to see like this round handle and this scrunch thing, I've never seen a bag like this. So I really jumped at it to have it in my collection. Oh, you push down. Okay, so if you get this bag, you have to just push down and it comes out. That's clutch. Okay. I'm gonna do the same on this side. So I just push it down. Oh, I'm not even in frame. Push it down and then it just slips in there. Wow. This is so cute. And like I said, there's also like if you don't want to just go for this and you want to have options, on the website you could actually purchase a second handle, and it was a complete chain similar to the color of this, but like chunky and more short like this one. It was so cute. I was like, I asked them, hey, does this come with the second one? Because like I love to switch stuff up. So they said no, but I'm okay with this one because it's super cute. And this one can go under my shoulder. Oh my gosh, do y'all see that? Like this is just details in itself, like just part of the fit. So let's go inside the bag. I keep talking about the bag. Okay, so aside from these little things that come in there, you get so much space actually. For it to be a small bag, like that's deep. That could fit everything. Oh, and then oh my gosh. It's like a two, because I just felt on the inside, it's two sides to it. So it goes super, super deep. Like that's my whole hand right there. And then on this side, it has a pouch. Oh my gosh. And it's also vegan leather on the inside. I love that. And then on this side, it has like a little flap, which is the same material as the, what's it called? the lining. Yeah, so I just think this is so cute. Let's close it back up just to see. So that's what it looks like. Do I have it? Oh, and then it has the logo right here. I don't know why I never look for the logo on bags. I'm just like, show me the bag. I want to see the bag. So then you close it back up. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. And it just stays. Y'all, you cannot tell me this is not a really cute bag. And then you turn this. I just never seen anything like these bags. Like what? Let's go back to this one too. So cute. Oh, so cute. I cannot wait to wear. I cannot believe I sat with these in my room for so long, just like, okay, I'm gonna do the video, but I had to wait. I was transferring, getting a new job, but now I'm here and now I'm ready to rock out with my bags. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. I just love, look, I'm talking about they so cute and they finna fall all on the ground. I just love like how minimalist this is. Like for it to be so cute, there's nothing going on with this. I just love it. I cannot wait to wear this. I had to put the bags down because I just kept talking about how cute they were. Y'all saw how cute they were. So I do want to plug you guys with a 25% off code. SINBONO was really, really nice, and they sent me a code as well as the 2 bags that you guys can go ahead and get your bags for a discount. If you use aria.25, I'll actually leave it right here. If you use aria.25, you can go ahead and get 25% off of your bag. And go ahead and check this out. I cannot believe this. This is just, it's just so cute. I'm actually probably gonna go and order. There's like a bunch of different colors in this bag, and then a bunch of different styles too. So I'll probably try to leave like maybe, no, I don't know. We'll see how the editing goes. But I hope you guys go check out the website because I just thought everything on there was so cute. And I couldn't believe that I could only pick 2 of them. I wanted 5. Okay, so go ahead and use your 25% off. And I just want to thank SINBONO so much for reaching out and collaborating with me. I would love to work with you guys again in the future because I love these bags so much. Yeah, and without further ado, thanks so much for watching this video. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button. And if you're not, welcome back to my channel. Watch some other stuff. Oh, watch a review on this hair. Y'all see how good this looks? I'm actually gonna put an update video on my likes and dislikes of this hair too. It's Kendra's Boutique. Yeah, so hit that subscribe button, give this video a like, and I'll see you guys in the next one.